everybody, the unboxing video of the box that I purchased actually via Facebook Marketplace, or actually one of the luck groups. I'm really excited to see what is inside. I hope nothing has been taken out of it, because I noticed there's a little hole in here, but if I put my hand in there, it seems to be all closed. So thumbs up and hope for the best. So gonna unbox it now. Join me to see what is inside. I'm really excited. It has been fairly well packed. This plastic. Uh-oh. Here we are. What do we have here? One base plate with a tile. And then Star Wars base plate, figures, Star Wars figures, a whole lot of Star Wars figures. Some fell out. Okay. Paper. Don't need that. Fairly well packed. A Star Wars Mandalorian set. Another Star Wars set. Yoda's hut. Another Star Wars set. A almost completely built, I don't know what it is, TIE interceptor or something. So we're gonna need to see if that is complete. Let's show you what we got. So these are my minifigures that I bought on Facebook. Really happy with them. Still need to check if everything is in there. I'm gonna check it against the post, but I think we are okay. So if you see any figures in there that you like, do not hesitate to contact me. These will be uploaded in the next coming 2 weeks, I suppose. And afterwards, I will let you know if I made my money out of this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.